Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, the main weather story is the wind and the warmth. In fact, near record warmth tomorrow. Today we hit 62 officially at the Purdue Airport. The record 67 set in 1925. Forecasting 63 tomorrow. Record 65 set in 1943, so we'll be close. Maybe a couple passing little spotty showers, thunder showers tonight. Only about 20, maybe 30% coverage. Most of the area stays dry. And then after all the sunshine tomorrow, we cloud up with a wave of some scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow night. Not a big rain out of this though. And then it turns cooler, but it's a question as to how far north the rain gets. On Monday, it looks like it should stay south of our area, though there's a little wiggle room here where it could track a little farther northward. And the same storm may produce quite a lot of heavy, gloppy, wet snow above about 2,000 feet in the Appalachians. Just not enough cold air for a lot of big, heavy, wet snow elsewhere. But as always, we'll watch the track of that system. 63 tomorrow, gusts 30 to 40 from the southwest. After a mild 52 in the morning, it will just, the birds will be singing in the morning. It will look and it will feel like it's late March or early April in the morning, even though it's early February. 62 Monticello, 63 Flora. They're in the mid-60s down towards Vedersburg and Covington. Highs on Saturday will be early in the day. We're talking sunrise or before in the 50s. Then we fall and just level off into the 40s. Some lingering showers and a couple thunderstorms early, then just a partly cloudy day. A hair breezy at 3 p.m. temperatures running in the 40s area-wide, but that's still not so bad. Even, that's a cool down right now. And if mid to upper 40s is a cool down, we're doing pretty good here in February. There's overnight, couple little showers, a thunder shower around. Then note the clearing trend for tomorrow. Here we are at 12:30 with the sunshine around. Then we cloud up tomorrow night. This is 11. And then overnight into early Saturday morning, a wave of some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms pass through. And then we turn partly cloudy, cooler Saturday afternoon. This rainfall is not going to amount to a whole lot. I think it could vary quite a bit from 1/10 of an inch up north to some places getting 1/1500ths, 1/4 of an inch. A few outliers may see up to a half. There's the system to watch right there on Monday. It's kind of staying south of our area though, and then it moves eastward. You see the rain here, and then the heavier gloppy snow in the Appalachians, maybe in the higher terrain just west of the main mid-Atlantic region. And then beyond that, we have this little clipper that drops southward that may bring a shower or two Thursday. Otherwise, it gets cooler, but it's still above normal, and it's overall pretty dry. 41 Monday, 41 Tuesday, 44 Wednesday. A hair warmer on Thursday with a 49 with that little clipper system. The winds will crank up to 40 Friday, and then we're kind of in the 40s come next weekend. All right, tree of the week's bitternut hickory. Kind of has pecan. If you're familiar with the pecan hickory, that kind of foliage, just the leaflets and the leaves, the compound leaves are smaller. It's named bitternut because the meat inside that nut is not very tasty. I mean, squirrels would rather eat shagbark, shellbark, mockernut, red, or pignut hickory nuts than a bitternut hickory nut because it is bitter. Now, there are two groups of hickories. One has the big buds like the ones you see on the shag, shellbark, and the mockernuts. Bitternut, pecan, and water hickory are different. They're in a distinct group called the pecan hickories because their buds are smaller, slender, and one major field mark about a bitternut hickory, you can even tell in the winter, the sulfur yellow buds. Also, the bark is the tightest and the smoothest of all the hickories. It's got a beautiful form, it's got beautiful fall color, and even though it's got a wide range from the southeast all the way to Minnesota, in the southeast it's more just scattered individuals in rich woods. It becomes increasingly dominant in northern Missouri, Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Illinois, Indiana, southern Michigan, and even parts of central Tennessee. It likes fertile, deep, loamy to sandy loam soils, and where you find it, most often you find it with other oaks and hickories. Bitternut hickory